friends, welcome back to my channel, Rachel Reviews. We have a Wantable unboxing today. Here it is. Yes, we're still in my bathroom. If you haven't tried Wantable before and you would like to, there's a description down below and a referral link. I don't know if you get anything if you use my referral link, but I would get credit if you use it, full disclosure. Here we go. This is the Fall Trends Edit. So I wore fall colors today, and some of you had asked before, like a few videos ago, that was like way close up, what makeup I was wearing, and I don't have an answer for that, but I did just get this palette, Nudes of New York, and I'm wearing, in case you want to know, I don't know if you want to know, but in case you do, if I can open it, that'd be really nifty. I'm wearing these two colors today, and then like this one and this one up on like the brow area. So just kind of like a smoky fall look. I don't know. But I just wanted to try a new palette. So that's what I got. All right, let's open up the box. Yes, I'm very short in this chair. This is where I do my makeup and stuff in the morning, and I haven't gotten like a nice chair for in here yet. Because we're still doing the bathroom. We're still doing the bathroom because why finish a project? You know? You feel me? It's fine. I'm fine. Everything's fine. Okay. Let's dump her out. Get rid of this box. Ooh, she's pretty. Alright. Let's look at her. Oh, got some stuff falling out, but this is definitely the prettier side, I would say. Ready? Pretty fallish looking, don't you? Also, if you hear a bug flying around in here, it's just Andy. He's the stink bug that's been flying around in here. So if you hear it, that's what it is. I was taking a bath yesterday because I do have a big, beautiful bathtub. Do you want to see it? Let me turn the camera real quick. So even though there's no trim on the window or anything, I do have this nice bathtub. I like it. Here's my little chandelier. Yes, the sticker is on the window still. Anyway, so I was taking a bath yesterday, and he was just like flying all around. And he's like probably that big. That big? Gotcha. Okay, here we go. We're opening her up. Fall style trends. Fall trends style edit. Hi Rachel, look at you getting first dibs on the newest fall trends. I'm so excited to be styling you today. Oh, we have a new stylist. His name is Christian. Thanks for the note. I was happy to include a couple of your requests along with easy pieces to mix those with this season. Try the long sleeve printed woven top with the Connie high rise ankle skinny and the 9s earrings for an elevated look. Hope you love your 7 pieces from this limited time collection. Blah, 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 5 days to try everything on. You get 20% off when you keep 5 or more. Your $20 styling fee goes towards the box, blah, 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 or towards what you keep. Enjoy, Christian Stylist. Thanks, Christian. I did say, hi, looking forward to fall fashion. I do not like flare jeans, so keep it skinny, please, because I can't. I'm traumatized by flare jeans from being in high school, and the bottom's getting wet. If you've watched my channel, you know this. Sending. This is the envelope or whatever to send back what you don't want to keep. Here we go. Let's get into it. We have earrings, he said. Oh, those are so cute. They're very simple, which I like. Look, they're just like little little hoops, little like ear threads that go right through. I like those. I don't know if I'm going to try them on because I don't know if I'm going to keep them depending on how much they are. But this part goes through your ear and then it just hoops, it like loops in there. I like that. I do like that. So if I don't like any of the tops, at least I have jewelry to fall back on. Am I right? I'm right. All right. Oh, you guys, I didn't introduce this. See? Trusty Rusty Screwdriver. I don't think I did, so there you go. We used her. We just didn't talk about her. All right. First up is, oh, it's just a little cute fall blouse. She's kind of see-through, but not too bad. And then she's got like these elastics in the sleeve, right? Yeah, they're elasticy. One here, and one here. So it kind of gives it like that, I don't know what I want to call it, but you know, it gives it that. That's what it gives it. So that's cute. I will for sure wear that to work. And then we have, oh, just like a cropped knit top. Very simple, but cute with that scoop neck. I like the color a lot, and it's really soft. So that's nice. This one, I think I requested just to try, even though, you ready? Okay, so here's the front, just like a nice normal, should I scooch back? Just like a nice little normal sweater with some balloon sleeves. But bam, look at the back. It's all open. So you'd have to wear like a cute bralette or like a cami or something underneath it. But it's cute. And what are you? Are you a This is really thick. I thought it was a coat. She's really pretty color. But I think she's a shirt. And she's, sorry, I'm just like, I think she's a shirt, but she's like really thick. So maybe you'd wear it more open, like a shacket kind of thing. I'm gonna unbutton her. So when we try her on, we don't have to. I guess real time, I'm unbuttoning her. Because I think she'd be better as like, she's heavy. Relaxed fit, thread supply. I don't know. But she's a really pretty color. And yeah, there's that. So, I don't know, we'll see. Ooh, you're cute. Here's some grayish, blackish jeans. Oh, with the exposed buttons. Oh, what a distinguished gentleman. And she's got the bottoms like that. I like those. I like that kind of bottom. Stretchy. And another pair of jeans. These are cut from the cloth, so I know they're gonna be expensive. But not not buttons. She's got some distressing, just a little bit here and there. There's the back pockets. She also has a scissor cut hem. So, all right, that's our fall box. Pretty fallish. Let's try stuff on. First outfit, here is the shirt. I do think, Andy is flying. I do think it's supposed to be more like a shirt, but with how thick it is, I think you could wear it just over another shirt too. But here it is buttoned up in case you wanted to see. It's really soft. It's really soft. I think it's just not for me. It's almost like a felt kind of feeling. I don't know if you can see that texture, but I don't know. I just bought a button-down shirt from Marshall's, and it was like thinner and not so like sturdy, stiff looking, because I have a short neck and I think it just looks weird on me. So I think this shirt is a no, but here's the back. It's a really pretty color, and like I said, it's really soft. You could just wear it over another shirt, but I just don't think that's my look. So this is probably gonna be, you know, real time. And this shirt, if you're wondering, is from Kohl's. It's like their 9 West ribbed knit shirt or something. These jeans are really comfortable, and I actually like, you know, I've been struggling with finding an open button jean, pant, whatever. These are really comfy. I don't think they're too big. I think they're okay. You know, you always worry about them like stretching out as you're wearing them, maybe. But I think they'd be, I think they'd be okay. There's my laundry. Don't look at that. You guys, don't look. So I think these are cute. Did you hear Andy? Again, the stink bug. So these could be a possible yes. Let's try on something else with them. Here's the cropped green sweater. It is cropped. Woo! There's a sliver of my stomach. These jeans are very high rise, so I mean, it's pretty cropped, so you don't have to tuck it in for all those who don't like things tucked in. Because it's already cropped. So it's cute. I think this is really nice. It's really soft. I like the color. Here's the back. I think this would be nice with like a cardigan over it too. For layers, because ogres have layers. Onions have layers. You know, so I think this is a cute outfit. I like it. I like the scoop neck too. It's almost squarish, but it's not. It's round. You get it. I'm wearing my R necklace today. Throwback. So this is cute too. This might be the cute outfit I keep. Let's see. Let's try on more. Here's that top with the sleeves. How they are. I think this is cute. You could just do like, these jeans are very cute. Okay. You could do like a little front tuck like that with this one since it's more flowy. You can wear it to work. I do like this top a lot actually. I think it's nice. I don't know if I would wear it anywhere other than work though. And that green top I would wear for sure. The jeans are very cute. However, they are cut from the cloth, so I know they're going to be expensive. Expensive. But they're very nice. I like the way they fit. I like the wash of them. They move nicely. Scroll down. So they're nice jeans. That's probably why they're expensive. They feel nice. I did just get a couple pairs of jeans from Marshalls because I'm kind of like in between sizes right now and I wanted just like, you know, cheaper jeans. So I don't know if I want to invest in more expensive jeans. But this top is super cute. Here's the sleeves. Are they like peasant sleeves? Is that what I was going for? They're stretchy. I think it's a cute outfit for fall. If I were to like go get fall pictures or something with my husband or whatever, like this could be a cute top I would wear, but we don't do that. Why? Don't know. Never have. But it's really cute. Okay, let's try on that last sweater. This sweater is really cute. It's really soft. I really like how it's shaped as well. Like it's the perfect kind of like crop on there. The balloon sleeves, it's soft, it's a really pretty color. I almost wish it didn't have the open back. The open back is fine. I put just like a, it's not like a sports bra, but it's like a comfy kind of bra just over my regular one. So for the open back, so like you don't see my, you know, bra hook straps and stuff. So I think that works fine with it. I think that looks cute, good, cute, cute, good, cute. It's cute. I wouldn't wear it to work, obviously. Well, I think if I wore a tank top under it, or just like a t-shirt maybe. But it's really cute. I think because of where I live, it is kind of too cold to wear just open backed like this. The time of year that you would need a sweater like this. But it's really cute. I'm like looking in the mirror over there. It's really cute. I wish it didn't have the open back. Then I would want this for sure. It's perfect. Perfect, except for the open back. I know, just wear a t-shirt under it. Maybe I'll put on my regular shirt I was wearing at the start of this video under it and see what that looks like. Okay, here's like a little layered look with it, which I think looks okay, right? You can see the undershirt there and here and there. Doesn't look too weird, right? Maybe? It's kind of cute, no? Does it take away from the effect? What if like this one was tucked and the other one wasn't? Like that? Does it look weird? Maybe? I don't know. Okay, let's go over prices and see if this is even a moot point because this might be $80. Who knows? Let's take a look. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already and you like these kinds of unboxings. Prices. I just saw the price of that yellow top. This one. Okay, you ready? $78. Long sleeve printed woven top in mustard by THML. $78 for this. It was cute. Not $78 cute. The Lewis shirt and Cinnabar, which was like that shirt shacket one, $66 by Thread and Supply, size large. The high-rise buttonfly ankle skinny in gray by Flying Monkey Jeans, size 32, $68. Yeah, the Honey high-rise ankle skinny in preferable, size 14 from Cut from the Cloth, $92. The Nines earrings in gold, $32. The Rib Knit open back pullover in rust, size large, $59. And the Scoop neck top in emerald green, size large by Lush, $38. I think this is the winner. I did like those jeans though. I did like these. I did. So maybe those two. So if I did 38 and 68, that's $116 for these two things. So I'm gonna probably try the jeans on again with some of the stuff I already have and see if I like them enough to keep them. But this for sure I'm gonna keep. I think this will be really good for layering. I liked it a lot. $38. So my $20 styling fee will go towards that. So another $18. So yeah, the merchandise total $433. If I keep 5 or more, it would make it $346.40 minus $20. And then I do have credit from you guys signing up, so thank you so much. So after that, it'll be $275.98 for the whole box. It wasn't a bad box, but that's an expensive ass box. Which this stylist doesn't obviously know that I don't like to spend money. But I'm gonna keep this green top for sure. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you're having a good fall so far. Get your PFL, get your pumpkin spice lattes and apple ciders. I'm more of an apple cider girl myself. Get those freaking donuts and just like have a good fall. Okay, I will see you guys next time.